ladybird.
It's time to start.
We make a mini beast.
You guys gonna make mini beasts?
Yeah.
But can you explain what mini beasts are?
I'm gonna use the ladybird.
But what are mini beasts?
Tiny bugs.
Mini beasts are tiny bugs. Like what? For example?
It can be any bugs, any. So you can do a yellow ladybug or caterpillar.
Oh, and what other mini beasts you have in your mind? JP?
Spider.
Yeah, and what else?
Bats.
Bats are not mini beasts.
Roly-poly is a mini beast.
Which one?
Roly-poly.
Roly-poly, yes. Roly-poly.
Roly-poly turns and turns. We need to have this thing. Let's keep going.
Let's see what we've got here. We have some cheese, crackers. Misha, what you gonna make first?
Lady.
Misha wanna make a ladybird and JP want to eat. What JP wanna make?
Creepy crawly.
Creepy crawly. Okay, let's see what you can make and how you're gonna make. I'm curious.
Let's explore.
This is roly-poly. Roly-polies can roll into a perfect ball, just like an armadillo. They love dark and damp places. Usually, you can find them under stones or flower pots. We call them creepy crawlies because they look like a creepy. Oh, look, I found a caterpillar. One grasshopper. We name him Tamarami. We found very hungry snail. Look how he's munching this pear. Num 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 num. Then we found family of snails. Super hungry snails. We spot a bee jumping to flower, and a few ladybirds. Look at the tiny ladybird. Bye, ladybird. Guess what? It's our favorite show for rainy days.